Have you ever woken up with that stiff, painful knot in your neck? The kind that makes turning your head feel like rotating a rusted hinge? Or maybe you've spent hours on your phone or laptop, and suddenly your shoulders feel like they're carrying the weight of a whole stressful week. What if I told you, you can melt that tension in the next few minutes, right at home, without tools, without pain, and without needing to be flexible? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn is simple, fast, and honestly, kind of addictive once you feel the relief. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to instantly release neck and shoulder tension at home using gentle, science-backed techniques that anyone can do. Whether your pain comes from stress, bad posture, phone use, or long work hours, today's routine will help unwind those tight muscles almost immediately. Let's get right into it. Most people stretch their neck wrong. They yank it sideways or pull too hard, which only triggers more tightness. Instead, we're going to use a micro-movement release that tells your muscles, hey, we're safe. You can let go now. The side glide, sit tall, relax your jaw. Now imagine your head sliding slightly to the right like a typewriter. No tilt, just glide. Hold for 5 seconds. You'll feel a small, deep pull on the opposite side. Now slide to the left for another 5 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. You'll be surprised how quickly the stiffness loosens. The yes-no reset, look down gently. Now shake your head no, but super small, like you're saying no, but politely. This tiny rotation releases the suboccipital muscles, small but powerful muscles that cause headaches and neck pain. Do it 10 times. You should already be feeling warmth and ease. One of the biggest reasons shoulders feel heavy and tight is because you unconsciously shrug all day. So let's reverse that. The shoulder melt, lift your shoulders up toward your ears, hold. Now exhale and let them drop completely. Do this 3 times, focusing on relaxing, not forcing. Step 2, the cross-body stretch, but smarter. Raise your right arm, bring it across your chest. Hold your elbow with the opposite hand. Now instead of pulling hard, take a slow inhale, and on the exhale, let the shoulder soften. Hold for 15 seconds, switch sides. This activates the stretch reflex properly, giving you a deeper release. This one feels like magic. Sit or stand tall. Bring your right arm behind your back like you're reaching into your back pocket. Now tilt your head to the left. That stretch? That is your levator scapulae, the muscle that gets tight when you're stressed or hunched over. Hold for 20 seconds. Switch sides. This instantly gives you that ah feeling. Tension often comes from posture, so let's reset yours in seconds. The chest opener, interlace your fingers behind your back. Lift your chest slightly. Imagine your shoulder blades sliding toward your back pockets. Hold 10 seconds. The chin tuck. Gently pull your chin backward, like making a double chin deliberately. Hold 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This instantly realigns your neck. Tight neck and shoulders aren't just a muscle problem. They're a stress signal. This final step tells your body to stand down. The 4-second relaxation breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold 2 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. As you breathe out, imagine your shoulders melting down. Repeat 3 times. You'll feel tension drop almost instantly. And there you go. Fast, powerful, and tool-free ways to release neck and shoulder tension straight from home. If you're feeling lighter, looser, or even a bit surprised at how simple these were, good, because the best fixes are the ones you can actually use every day. If you want more routines like this, longer releases, posture fixes, or pain relief guides, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, your body isn't meant to hold tension. Let it go.